Videos are organized into TV shows, YouTube channels, music, movies, news, and various other subjects, or you can filter the content by a particular difficulty level so you can find content that's right for you. Once you open a video, the transcript is shown on the right. You can play any line in the transcript by clicking on it. If you tap on a word, you can see the definition. You can also reference the English translation next to each line. You can save the words to your word list for later review. We also periodically prompt you to complete a short quiz based on the words you saved, so you'll pay more attention to the vocabulary in the transcript. Apps similar to Language Player include FluentU, Yabla, and Link. But what makes Language Player unique from our competitors? First, we have a massive selection. For example, FluentU offers 1,596 videos in Chinese, whereas we offer 190,000 videos in Chinese organized into TV shows, YouTube channels, movies, music, news, topic categories, as well as difficulty levels. Whereas FluentU gives you individual short videos, we offer entire shows that you can binge watch. Second, we offer more innovative learning features. For example, in addition to videos, we also have live TV channels, where you can watch live TV as if you're in a country where the target language is spoken. We have an innovative dictionary that shows you examples of the word from hundreds of thousands of videos, as well as collocations, example sentences, common mistakes for Chinese, as well as related words, and character strokes for Chinese, Japanese, and Korean languages. We also have a text reader that can make any text interactive with pop-ups. For each language, we have an entire library of books to read, also with interactive text. It also has the ability to read the text aloud to you sentence by sentence. We've also built a progress tracker to help you set goals and give you an hour estimate on how long it will take to get to your goal. And third, we have a large number of supported languages. Like most language learning platforms, we offer these popular languages like Chinese, both Mandarin and Cantonese, Japanese, English, French, German, Spanish, Korean, Russian, and Italian. But in addition, we also offer these 207 other languages. Here's a complete list in order of content library size. The languages we offer include lesser-known languages like Galician, Manx, and Faroese, dialects like Minnan and Hakka, ancient languages like Latin, Gothic, Aramaic, and literary Chinese or classical Chinese, constructed languages like Klingon and Esperanto, as well as sign languages such as American Sign Language and Korean